Hi there, Sophia here. I am so excited about today's video because it's one of my favorites. I've been studying fall trends and realizing I have a lot of this already in my closet, so I decided to do a shop in my closet for fall trends video for you. And we're going to start with color. The colors coming in this season are, first of all, Chartreuse. This is more of a recent purchase. I absolutely love this color because it goes so fantastic with some of the fall colors coming in. It looks beautiful with tan, with brown, with black, with purple, royal purple, burgundy. It looks great. Also with indigo denim, which is one of the trends I'm going to talk about later. The other color that is super hot and a must-have is red. And I've got a lot of examples here on how you can incorporate red into your fall fashion. I've had this sweater for a while. This is a beautiful fire engine red. Every time I wear it, I feel so festive. I love how this pairs with navy, with black, also with tan. This is a beautiful combination. If you're in a climate that isn't so cold, then you can always just add a jacket. This would add a beautiful pop of color to any outfit. Another thing that would be fabulous, and if I were to get just one thing, it would be a red handbag. This is my newest handbag. My husband gave it to me for my birthday, and I absolutely adore it. So beautiful. It has really nice pockets right here and on the other side of the zipper section, a magnetic clasp. It's Coach. It has a beautiful strap. You can also hold it like a satchel, and the gold hardware is just gorgeous on it. But mostly it goes with everything. Casual, it goes with dress up, it goes with all these things I have here hanging, and also if you go all winter white. So this, if I were to get just one red thing for the season, I wouldn't go with red boots, I wouldn't go with red shoes. Me personally, I would go with red handbag. And there are so many styles. I was just on the Amazon site looking at beautiful red handbags. I also went on the tjmax.com site. Wonderful Italian leather handbags, very affordable and very beautiful in red as well. And if you don't feel like all this red and you just want to have a little pop of red, go with nails. I just got these nails. I love these so much. This is a shorter version. You can get a longer one. I like the short ones because I type a lot, and then it's hard for me to do that with a longer nail. But these are just so easy to put on and super, and they stay on. They stay on, for me, they stay on up to 10 days. And the trick to this is you have to put them on at night before you go to sleep so your hands don't get wet. And they adhere very well, and you just use that little alcohol prep pad before putting them on. It's very fast and it's instant manicure. I love it so much. It cuts back so much on time for me of having to go and get my nails done. The next trend I want to tell you about is leather on leather. I'm seeing a lot of that in the upcoming trends. Here is a jacket I have had for years. I think I've had this for like 20 years now already. And it's something that I was so thrilled when I saw red is coming back in. I can wear my red leather jacket. I love combining this either with all black or with this color as well. And since it's leather on leather, I'm showing you, this is real leather. These are some faux leather pants. I got this in January. They are beautiful. They're so well made. Another hot trend is distressed leather. I got this several years ago and I love it so much because of that distressed look. It's fabulous. This is a faux leather jacket. It really looks like leather in person. And I always wear it with jeans, and I have it here paired with a dark navy lily silk top, which looks very pretty with the indigo jeans. It gives a monochromatic color, and then this pops against it. This also looks amazing with a black turtleneck and black jeans. And if you want to go red, you can wear a red turtleneck and just really pull it off with maybe some nice corduroy dark brown jeans as well. And you can also pair it with some little cowboy style booties. Those are really cool and on trend as well. Speaking of jackets, another big trend is going to be the cropped cardigan or the cropped jacket. Here's one I picked up on Amazon, and I love it so much. It's a waffle knit. I featured this in another video that I recently did on Amazon Finds. I'll link it here below so you can find it and see how pretty this is. This ended up being a little large on me because I like a crop jacket to be more fitted. Otherwise, it adds bulk where we don't need it, which in me, I don't want bulk around my middle, so I want it a little more fitted if it's going to be cropped. And I am going to return this and get a small in this, but I love this burgundy color. All those colors are coming in. This is beautiful, and this looks so good with this color as well. And it looks great with this. Chartreuse and Burgundy is fabulous. The next trend that just seems to be never ending is stripes. We saw tons of stripes in the spring. We saw them all over summertime, vertical stripes, horizontal stripes, and now they're back again. These are 2 Amazon sweaters that I picked up, and they are so beautiful, and I'm seeing really high-end ones of this, like in the hundreds. This, I believe, was under $40. Same for this one. The quality on these sweaters is unsurpassed. They are super soft, super flattering, and I highly recommend both of these. They look fabulous with a pop of red, and they look great with flared leggings, with the black corduroy pants I've shown them with that are a flare fit, very fitted and slightly flared, and also they look great with faux leather leggings and little booties. Really love these. The next trend is the fitted blazer, and I have to say, of everything, the most flattering thing I'm going to show you is this blazer. This is Zara. I bought this also at wintertime, fell in love with it, and ended up getting an ivory one. This is how fitted it is. It is just a stunning jacket. It has the beautiful shoulder pads. It's nipped in. It's got the gorgeous gold buttons that really elevate it, and I'm just in love with this jacket. I know they still have them, and they have them in different colors. I believe they also have one that's like in a boucle knit. Take a look at Zara. These are really beautiful. If you're like me and you save classic pieces in your closet, you probably have a blazer that has some shoulder pads in it and is more nipped in at the waist, but it looks great. I've worn this with black jeans, and I've also worn it with dressy black trousers, which is also another trend. I'm seeing beautiful pleated trousers everywhere, the flowy ones. They look so elegant and so elevated, especially with a little fitted jacket and also with a cropped jacket or cropped cardigan. The next trend is python. Python is super in for the season, and you know how last year and a couple of years before that we kept seeing animal prints? I was just like animal printed out. It was just a lot. But this year, of course, animal print seems to always come in a different form. This year, we're seeing a lot of python. I've had this skirt for a while. This is just a narrow fitted skirt. It hits me below the knee. It's very flattering. It's just a straight skirt. I wear this with that black blazer I just showed you. I can also wear it with a cropped jacket. I have worn this before with just a black top or a black sweater. It looks fabulous as well. And I have these shoes that I bought several years ago that I'm in love with. I'm so happy I hung on to these shoes because they're super in style now. They are the type of shoe that I love because the heel is about 3 inches, and this cut on a shoe where it dips in on the sides instantly elongates your legs. So if you want longer looking legs or slimmer looking legs, this is the key. Try to find shoes that dip in on the sides and have that beautiful point. You just pull off an all black outfit and wear these, and they're popping. Also, they look great with denim. Another trend I wanted to show you is a long trench. I love this so much because it's instantly very fashionable. You put on a trench like this, whether you wear it open or wear it fitted and tied at the waist or tied in the back, it instantly elevates any outfit. This one is weatherproof. It's a Rachel Zoe. I picked this one up at TJ Maxx up in New York. Fell in love with it, grabbed it, and instantly donated the one that I had, which was a short raincoat and frankly very impractical. So I donated that one and went home with this one, and I just love this one. It's beautifully made and a great buy. I'll post some that I found on Amazon that look very similar to that and are also really well priced. And the last thing I want to tell you about is Indigo denim. That's the deep dark blue denim that is so slimming, so flattering. The jeans I'm wearing today, these are Nicole Miller jeans. They have a lot of stretch in them, and I think this combination looks super stylish of the navy or dark blue all the way down and then this tan pop of color. That's everything in my closet that I could gather to show you the fall trends. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed the little fashion show I gave for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you liked best. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye now.